So my Walmart order came in, I put all the food away, and then what I did was I take all of my cereals, so we only have Raisin Bran and like the Chex brand because we don't let the kids eat sugar cereals, and I put them into cereal containers, and then I take out the plastic. So this is one of the, you can see there's a little corn check in there. So I take these and then I cut off the sides here. I cut off these sides here. And then I cut them open and I cut out the middle piece. No, these are the bottoms and the tops that I cut off. And then this is the side piece. So I cut off this, see this rigid part here? I cut off this rigid part here. And then I cut it down the middle on this liner. And then I cut this piece off. So then these are parchment papers and these are flat. So these ones I'm going to use, we use them for journaling. We use them for junk journaling, regular journaling, book journaling. We use them for scrapbooking. I mean, there's so many uses for these. You can use them, you can sew them closed and use them for pockets. You can also use them to iron things in between them. So there's a lot of uses for these, and so it's nice to upcycle them and reuse them, right? So this way it saves money. I mean, wax paper is very cheap, but at the same time, and parchment paper is more expensive, but why waste it and why throw it away if you can use it again? So that's a big part of what I believe in. So we're reusing it.